Tattoos aren't as taboo as they used to be. Thanks to television, movies, and celebrities, they're becoming more prevalent even in situations previously deemed distasteful, such as the workplace. Anyone who has tattoos has heard someone tell them that they're ruining their future in the professional world by getting tattooed. But according to some students, having tattoos isn't such a bad thing.
I think as more people are just used to seeing them, and I mean, they're not getting as, I would say, offensive. For certain people, they're more meaningful than just to get a tattoo. If it's something that's extremely meaningful to them, then yeah, I would say totally get it.
Some people think tattoos are a passing trend, but they've been around for centuries, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. The reasons for getting a tattoo differ from person to person, but one thing's for sure, they're here to stay.
I started getting tattoos because, I mean, everything starts off with the look. Obviously, it's cool, so that's the first thing that attracts. But then, it starts to build, and then you start to put stuff that you want, and obviously meaning means a lot to me, but also a lot of it's like inspiration. I'm not really trying to put quotes all over my body, but a lot of stuff is where meaning comes from, so it just means a lot. Art should always be something that touches your heart, no matter what it is, no matter where it's at on your body, how you get it, or what it is. As long as, like you were saying, it's connected with you, then that you can wake up and you look at this and you just feel something that you won't feel from anything else, like it's special. And I think if you're gonna get tattoos, go for it, get it. Just be cautious of obviously what you're gonna be doing in the future and how it can affect your future, but don't let that stop you.
So whether you already have tattoos or you're just deciding to get a tattoo, the best advice is just think first before you act. For the AC Report, I'm Austin Euland.